California sober is a phrase that's been gaining traction across social media, with people claiming they've found a balanced form of recovery by avoiding hard drugs but still using marijuana or psychedelics. For someone struggling with addiction, that idea can sound appealing, promising a version of recovery where you don't have to give up everything. But addiction isn't just about a specific substance. It's about the brain's reward system. When someone develops a substance use disorder, the brain becomes wired to seek dopamine to cope with stress, boredom, or emotional pain. Whether that dopamine comes from alcohol, opioids, or high-potency THC, the cycle can remain the same. This is where cross-addiction becomes a risk. Replacing one substance with another can keep the brain dependent on chemical relief. For many people, marijuana lowers inhibitions and can slowly lead back to the substance they originally struggled with. Modern cannabis also carries its own risks. Today's products are far more potent than they were decades ago and can lead to anxiety, insomnia, mood swings, and cannabis use disorder. True recovery isn't about negotiating with addiction. It's about learning to face life without relying on substances to cope. If you or someone you love is struggling with addiction, you don't have to face it alone. Call the team at More Than Rehab to learn about treatment options that support lasting recovery.